Slavery.
You. I went to
Slavery.
school.
I don't care about that. My grandmother lived 104. Do you know how long? Here. And right here. My family is here. My grandmother lived, she just died this year.
Okay.
She was a slave. Okay, you right here in Stone Mountain. You can go and you
Who
can
says
see
that
where
our
the slave
ancestors
houses
weren't
was.
slaves?
Hold on, I'm talking about in this country that built this country. And we don't get no reparations. But y'all come over here. Hold on. McDonald's, okay, which is a very huge company.
I know
there was
black
a
people
slow,
that own
there was
McDonald's.
a small company, but they don't charge you for no water. You come over here, you get all kinds of tax breaks, but then you charge us for the water? Are you serious? We're the one that built the pipes under this building, baby.
Wait.
Come on now.
If we
Is
pay
that
for it,
corporate? This is private.
I
There's
don't
a difference.
care. I don't give a damn.
Government. Just
I don't
because you
care.
law doesn't make you
I
right.
don't care. And no, it's not about being right. It's about what happened. What's the truth?
And what? You're not
your
slave.
right and my right.
You're not a slave.
My right. I come from slavery.
No, you
And so
didn't.
We do too.
We're African, so we know. You don't know where the fuck we're
Excuse
from.
me.
Just because we're brown,
Excuse me.
don't stereotype.
I'm
Can you
talking
leave?
about African
Can
American.
you leave?
my parents
Can
were
you
born in
leave?
Africa, but good
We're
job.
African American. Thank you very much. If you want
Kenya
to
and Uganda.
Our parents were born in Africa.
Okay, in Africa.
Yes.
In Africa, not African American.
What the hell does that mean?
African American means that your ancestors were brought over
No,
here through
it
the
doesn't.
slave
See,
ship.
it doesn't really
Yes,
make
it does.
any sense.
Yes, it does.
No, it
That's
really
what it
doesn't.
does. That's what it
Your
means.
African sold you.
My dad is a Nigerian. Okay,
Okay.
for real.
My
okay?
dad's from
but
Uganda.
But my grandmother, my ancestry comes from slavery. My grandmother was here when slavery
What's
was
this got to
going.
do with
She
anything?
because y'all come over here
Who's
and you
y'all?
create your
Who's
own.
y'all?
Who's y'all?
I'm saying your ancestry.
Who's our
your
ancestors? Where are we from?
Yeah.
Your ancestry. Your country. You're not
where's
from
that?
here.
Where's that?
You're not from here.
So
What
where
does
are
that
we?
mean?
From here.
Where are we
What does
from
that
then?
mean?
Your mother's mother wasn't raised here. My generation only go back one generation.
You know where my mother's
I was
mother was
living to
raised?
my
Why are you
grandmother.
screaming? Do you know where my
No,
mother's
you're
mother is
the one
from?
getting, but you don't know.
You know-
So you think that, only thing I'm saying is y'all come over here, and I'm saying y'all because the majority, we can go in my community. I live in Lithonia. When I go in my community, it's not me that's owning it. Okay? When I go to the nail shop, it's like the man said, it's the Vietnamese and
people
the
that wanna
Chinese
work. People that wanna
own
work.
that. But they come over here, you own the industry. The Indians come over here, they own the hotels.
Yeah.
And they own me.
'Cause we wanna make
Because
money.
Guess what? But I'm asking you, why is there an industry of you? Who has opened the market to you?
Those people that want jobs. People that want jobs.
Hold on. If you go back, go all the way back, okay? At one point in time, it was us that owned it. Okay, in our own communities. You got to go back in our history of who we were. Hold on, but let me tell you, when crack was brought into our communities, it broke up our families, okay?
Wait, I didn't bring crack.
Right, no, you didn't. But you reaped the repercussions and you reaped the benefits of crack being brought into our community. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's a system.
Why are you screaming
it's
at
a
me?
system. Because you don't understand it's a system.
No, you
And
don't
been part
understand,
of
thank
this
you.
system. I understand it.
Hold up.
Because I'm
You
the victim of it.
I don't give a fuck. You go to the back. You get
Fuck
a loan.
you. You
go to the back. You get a loan.
What
You
mean?
get a gas station.
Excuse me. Let me ask you why I can't get a loan.
Why?
And I'm supposed to be. Wait a minute. Hold on. What was? What is it called?
Don't even know.
Oh God. Something about affirmative action. Why was affirmative action here? Since you so fucking smart and you know so motherfucking everything, and you think that our black people, we just can't own shit and we don't want to be a part of own shit in our own community. We want you owning shit in our community. We want you to go back to where you live. Because where I live, none of you live. But you come to our community to take our money.
Yeah.
Why you in the black community? Why we don't own this?
You're right.
Why we don't own this? Why we don't own the hair store down the street?
That's your
That's
fault.
what I'm
Yes,
what
you
ain't our
do.
fault. I want to own the hair store. But guess what?
Go
When I
for
get ready to
it.
go try to own the hair store, who controls the industry? The Chinese, they got to sell it to us. So they don't want to sell to us.
Whose fault is
They do
that?
not want to. No.
Are we
It's not our
Chinese?
fault. You have to have open up opportunity, which is the open market. Okay? Okay, my thing is, y'all come over here and you.
Who's
Are you
y'all?
for water?
Who's
Are you
y'all?
serious?
From?
Are you
Where are
serious?
we from?
Just understand what I'm saying. That's how.
Love them.
Go do something. Fuck you! You don't know where the fuck I'm from, motherfucker! You don't know where I'm
Go back to your
from!
country. Go back to your country. Make your money there.
I'm fine
Make
with
your
that!
money in
Money's
your
here.
country.
Money's
Put
here.
it on here. Put it on here.
Who's
All
going?
the
I can do
motherfuckers
that.
in India and motherfucking China
We're not from
and Vietnamese.
India.
Go back to your country.
sound like we're
Let the
from
banks
India.
let us own our own shit in our community.
Don't get them into this.
Economics. Oh, they in agreement with me. black people don't serve you,
Go
which
for
this community
it.
you serve.
Go
Try
for
it.
You will suffer.
Try it.
I ain't got
Try
time
it.
for that.
Try it.
I ain't got time for
I want to
that.
see your face in the AGC
Fuck
tomorrow.
you, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck you, bitch. Go back to your country.
That's fine, because I'm still going
Go
to be
back to
here.
your country.
And you're still
Don't
going to be in
in
your
my community
situation.
then. Get out of the black community.
This is my life.
Get
You're
out of
on
the
it.
black community.
Excuse me,
Go
you're
back
on my property.
to your home.
This is private property.
Bitch, you don't own this.
This is
you
private
rent it,
property.
bitch.
No, we
No,
own it.
we own it.
Well,
Fuck you.
well,
'cause
sell
we
it to
own
us and go back home.
No, thank
Sell
you.
it to us.
It's making me
Let us
money.
get
Why
the
would
loan.
it?
Let us get the loan. Go home.
You can't.
Let us make the money
You need
so
credit.
we can have our homes. We can have our children. We ain't got to deal with child support. We
22.
ain't got to deal with welfare. We ain't got to deal with
Don't have
Section
kids.
8,
Get a
bitch.
job.
We ain't got to
Bye.
deal with Section 8, bitch.
Bye.
Fuck you.
Hey.
Bye.
Shut the fuck up for this get thrown on me.
Hey,
Because I don't give a
no,
fuck.
no. Oh,
you, bitch.
okay. Hey.
Did you record that whole thing?
Yep, 6 minutes.